Welcome to Heritage Kitchen. Thank you, my people, for tuning into my channel today again. Today I'm going to show you the special way of making Atama soup. Atama soup is popularly known in the southeast part of Nigeria, but anybody can cook it because it's very healthy. That's the most important thing. So today, these are my ingredients I've got here. I've got my spinach here. It's already sliced. This is my pepper. I have egusi. I have the atama itself. That is the atama. I have my fish, dried smoked fish, whichever way you choose to call it. If you notice, there's a water inside the smoked fish already because I have to soak it with warm water to soften it. And I've got my meat there as well. In that bowl, I've got the beef, cow beef. I have the tripe, and I have what we call in Nigeria abode. It's very delicious. And this is my stockfish here. I have my onions. I have my palm oil. I have my crayfish as well. This is going to be a very delicious soup. So stay tuned as we start cooking. So first of all, I'm going to add the meat into the pots. Just pour the meat into the pots. Then we add the stockfish. It's already cooked anyway, the stockfish, but in order to make it very soft, we're still going to add it together with the meat and boil it. So we pour it together. As you all know, if you've been following me in my channel, you will notice that I always season my meat before I start cooking. So this meat has been seasoned already. So I'm just going to add the onion. Then there's another secret I have to tell you guys. When you are cooking your meat, make sure you add your onions, your crayfish, very important, so that the whole taste of the crayfish will go inside the meat and it will give it a very good taste. And the pepper as well. I'm going to add the pepper too. That is it. So now we're going to cover it and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. Then we check how far it is. So we just let it to cook for 20 minutes. So now we are going to add the fish. Wow. Look at that. So let's add the fish. That's the water, like I told you. And don't forget, this is the stockfish water. You don't have to pour away the stockfish, the water, when you boil the stockfish, because that's where the flavor is, the nutrient, everything is there. So you don't have to pour it away. So just push the fish down and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Let's add the stockfish water. And allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Okay? So it's 5 minutes now. So we're going to add the spinach. See, it's cooking. Wow. This is going to be sumptuous. So we're going to add the spinach now. So this atama that I'm cooking normally is cooked with a thickening agent called ukpo in Igbo language, or achi. That is the method most people know. I doubt if people really know that spinach can be used to cook atama soup as well. So it's a privilege for you to see me cooking this with spinach and egusi as well. Most people don't use it. They only use the ukpo for thickening, and that's all. So we're going to leave the spinach now. We're going to cover it and allow the steam to melt it, to cook it. So we'll just leave it there. Oh, so if you look at the spinach, like I told you, you don't have to pour your spinach and begin to stir. It will not cook properly. So if you steam it, it won't take long. It will steam and it will still remain fresh, as you can see. You see? So you really have to follow me on my channel, subscribe, and you will see the secret of good cooking. I tell you the truth. So you see how the spinach is still very, very fresh. So now we're going to add our palm oil. I hope you're not wondering why my palm oil is so congealed. It's because of the weather here in London. It's quite cold, so that's why. So this is, the water is not enough, so we're going to add a little bit more water. So that was boiling water that I added, as you can see. So now we're going to add the egusi. We're going to add the egusi. Stir it. See the color, the freshness. This is lovely. So we just allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Then we'll add the almighty atama. Wow, wow, wow. You can see this. See how it's simmering. You see the color. You see the egusi. Everything is looking very okay. See? So now we're going to add the atama itself. They're all purely vegetables, so I really advise you guys to try this soup. It's really nice, really healthy. The atama has a unique flavor. When you cook it, the flavor is very lovely and the taste is superb. So let's have a taste and see and correct the seasoning. I'm just going to taste it now and see the seasoning. Yeah, just going to add a little bit of Maggi. I have my Maggi here, as you can see. Just add a little bit of, add 2 Maggi cubes to correct the seasoning. My all-purpose seasoning, if you notice I don't use salt, you've been following my video, I don't use salt, so I use all-purpose and Maggi. So just allow it to cook and it's ready. So guys, it's time to check. Wow, 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 wow. You can see this. Looks lovely. So it's ready. We're going to scoop it now. Oh my god. That's the stockfish, the shaki. That's the stockfish, the shaki. So now we're going to dig in. Wow, can you see that? Can you see that? So let's see how this is going to taste. I'm very sure it's going to taste lovely. Can you come and join me? Or better still, try this at home, and I'm sure you're not going to regret it. You're going to comment and tell me that this was lovely. It is lovely. So let's see. Oh, it is really, really lovely. You know, the atama has a very little bitter taste that when you eat it as an African, as a Nigerian, you understand what I'm talking about. It's really, really tasty. Really, really tasty. I don't know, maybe I'm going to finish this in this video because it's really tasty. I miss this soup, you know, because we're here in UK. We hardly see this, the atama itself. My mom sent this to me, so I've been managing it all along. This is the last one I'm cooking, so you're lucky to see me cook this. So I hope you're going to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. You see more video. Any kind of soup you are interested in cooking, or you don't know how to cook, just leave a comment and let me know. I'll help you tackle it. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you and bye.